What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Just made it to the shop with the truck and trailer and the Civic, so I'm gonna go pull it into the shop. All right, you guys, we finally got the Civic in the shop. It's been a long time coming. To be honest, I almost sold this thing. I was at that point where it was down after that race when I smashed the hood and the windshield and the wiring was all jacked up. I was about ready to let this thing go or light it on fire. But came to my senses, and obviously I got way too much time, way too much money into this thing that I would just not get the return on investment that I've put into this car. And I still love this car, so I'm gonna make it great again. I'm gonna clean up a lot of the stuff. As you can see, I already got a brand new hood for it. This is actually from Summit Racing. I think it's Coast to Coast International hood. It's actually, I'm pretty shocked with the fitment. Let's see, let's put it down real quick. Yeah, I mean, I haven't really adjusted anything, and you can see that the gaps on the sides are really nice. The side's a little bit lower because there's no headlight, but yeah, the gaps are like pretty good and looks great. Yeah, no complaints. So I've got a bunch of stuff coming for the car, but for today, yeah, so I got a bunch of parts coming for the car. I'm gonna make the car more streetable. My goal now is to make it more of a daily driver slash weekend track car. I'm tired of driving my diesel truck around, especially with the way diesel prices are right now. I'm sure everybody can relate to that. So this thing does get great gas mileage and it's fun to drive, so why not turn it back into a semi-streetable car? And I just have a lot of stuff that obviously needs to get sorted. I got a wiring harness coming for it and a bunch of other stuff. But for today, since I don't have a whole lot of time, I figured I got these Amazon hood dampeners that need installed. And this is the type of stuff that I normally just install on the car, and I don't even think to, you know, record just because it's a set of hood dampeners. Like, who really cares? But this is the stuff that I probably should be recording. So my logic is I can either record something and put stuff out more frequently, even if it's just, you know, installing some hood dampeners, or you guys could just not see anything. So, you know, at least this gives you the choice if you want to watch this video. All right, we got the Autobahn 88 hood dampeners, Honda Civic 88 to 91. All right, so it's actually pretty straightforward. You got these little, man, this lighting is terrible. You know if you guys can see this. So you got these brackets, and just take that bolt off. I actually ended up using a different bolt that was a little bit longer, because it seems like the stock bolts are a little too short when you add that bracket. So anyways, put it on there, and then all you have is these little guys right here on each side. I already got those ones on, so I'm just gonna pop the rods on and see if it works. Pretty straightforward install. Got the dampeners on, and it was pretty straightforward, honestly. Just two bolts, put them on. Took me about 20 minutes, and that was taking my time. So definitely worth it. Yeah, just gonna make it so much nicer to open and close the hood. So that's gonna do it for this video. I know it's a short one, but like I said, I can either film something you know, more regularly, and sometimes it's gonna be dumb little stuff like hood dampeners, but hey, at least I'm getting some content out there, and it lets you guys know whether you should buy this or if it's junk. So I would say this is a win. You can find these on Amazon if you got a Civic EF, and yep, there you go, right there. Autobahn 88, baby. All right, catch you guys in the next video.